Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and I'm so excited to unbox this and show you what I've picked up. So I have I found this company Craft Buddy which is a UK company, and they have diamond art that is already pre-mounted on the canvas. In addition to that, they also do other ones as well, where it is a flat piece of diamond art, and then it comes with the frame, so it's the perfect size frame for it as well. And I found this slightly cheaper through eBay. I must admit, I saved about £10 ordering this from eBay from someone that was destashing. So I picked this up for the grand total of £20, which I think is an absolute steal. On the Craft Buddy website, this one was £29.99, but new customers also get a 10% off as well, so you can save yourself £3 on top of that. And I think the free shipping was like from 35 quid or something like that. So I would recommend going and taking a look, because I already have my eye on quite a few other pieces from Craft Buddy, especially the massive Disney Princess canvas, which is a partial. It's huge, but it's 70 quid, so it is a bit of a considered purchase. So for the minute, I'm going to start with the Jungle Book one. So this is a full crystal, as they call it. It's 50 by 40, and as I said, it's already on the wooden frame. So this isn't going to stay in shot fully, but I'm going to get it out and I'm going to show you. I mean, confession time, I've already got this out of the box because I wanted to have a look up close and personal, and then I quickly shoved it back in the box to do the unboxing. So officially I have had it out of the box, but I haven't looked at the drills or anything like that. I just looked at the canvas. So let's get this turned up the right way. Oh my goodness me, how amazing is this? I just absolutely love it. So I did another unboxing of another UK company as well. Their paintings come pre-mounted. Actually, the problem with that one was you could see the legend on the side. On these, actually, the side is just all this green colour. So no issue with that at all. Now, I'm going to excuse the crinkling, because I'm going to get this out and show you what it comes with, and hopefully less glare as well. So this one's not taped down either. Okay, brilliant. So in the pack, it just shows you some other kits that are available. So there was this little 30 by 30 Lion King one as well that I saw. They also do cards. I have done a card video on here as well, and that was a Craft Buddy card. So they do cards, they do notebooks, and they are licensed for Disney and Marvel and Paddington Bear, I think, as well. So there's quite a few licenses that they've got for some of the companies like that. Now, when I say about the legend on that other canvas that I looked at, this one is actually printed on the back, and so you just trim that out. So you cut the canvas, your legend off the canvas on the back there. So let's get this bad boy turned over. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot wait. I cannot wait to do this one. I haven't seen any completed photos to know how this turns out, so I didn't want to spoil it. But if it's anything like the charting on here, I know that I'm going to love it. So again, apologies for the glare. Let's try and, if that's any better. Let's see what we get in the toolkit in this one. Let's get it all out, save all the rustling. So we have 2 pens in this, and they have the Crystal Art name on. So we have 2 single places, and then on the end of each of those there are 3 places, the same on both. Then we have 2 purple squishies. We have 2 trays. There is one with the open-ended funnel and one without. There's some Ziploc bags, and then also a tub with 2 pieces of the red wax in, and it says Crystal Art on the top of the pot as well. So the only thing that I'll tend to use out of this lot is I do use the wax, so I'll keep hold of that. Now let's take a look at the drills. Now this is drills and crystals. So, oh, they are loose. I'm going to do this actually two sides. I'm going to do one at a time so I can pop them back in. So, do we have the, pop that out of the way. Do we have the DMC codes on this one? Yes, we do. So they aren't on they're not on the packets, but they are on the legend, so that's fine. So, taking a look at the drills. So these are standard round drills in these packs, and they look very good quality. The packs have got crystal art written on, so these are specifically made for them. They look to be sealed well. I can't tell if there's any static in there, or know when I go to kit up. There are, let's see how many colours there were in this. There are, oh, it doesn't specifically say. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There are 29 colours in this. So these are a lot of the muted tones. So we have some oranges, some light yellow, some peach, brown, darker brown, even darker brown, and like a creamy colour. And then we also have this, is that the same colour? No, so it's another, like, it's going to be for probably the elephant, I would have thought. And then also in this one, that's another brown and then a red. And then, yeah, these are just all different shades of brown at the moment. And then these are going to be 310, I would imagine. More brown and another yellow. So a lot of this, I think, these drills are going to be for this bottom part. Then also in this pack, there are these teardrop hot pink crystals too. And those are going to belong, I think, in these flowers up here. So I think there's only two. Yeah, it's just the two flowers up there. So that's okay. So I'm going to pop these drills back in here. And then I'm going to open the other side, because the exciting thing is with this, and this is the first time, I think this is the first time I've done a kit that's got crystals. I don't think I've done, oh, I've done, excuse the crinkling, I've done the card kit that had crystals in, but this is the first time I've done a canvas with crystals in. But this isn't just crystals, this is drills. I think it's drills at the bottom and crystals on the top. Looking at the colours, so all of these brown colours are going to belong in this bottom half, whereas I did notice that in these other drills, these are all crystals. Apart from this one, so this is like again, another shade of brown. That's probably 5200 white. But then we move into crystals. And I'm so excited to do this, because I haven't really worked with, well, I haven't worked with crystals on a canvas. So we have like a light green, a mid green and a darker green. There's two packs of those. So this is going to be all of the foliage at the top of this. Then we have, oh, actually, that's probably the same, maybe the same colour across those four. 66BH. They are different tones, apparently, but it's very difficult to tell in the packs. They do look very similar. And then we have more of an emerald green. Oh, my goodness me. Look at the colour on those. That's like a blue, an aqua blue. And then we have like a tealy colour. I think they are apparently different colours, those, but they look identical. So yeah, I think this is going to be so much fun, working straight onto the canvas, so it doesn't need to be framed or anything like that afterwards. And it's a mixture of drills and crystals. Now, I think even at the price of $29.99 for a 40 by 50 pre-framed Disney licensed picture, a diamond art picture, I think it's incredible value. So I'm really, really impressed with this, and I shall come back with a review video afterwards once I've completed it. You may even see it appear in a whip and chat. So we'll have to see how this one takes me. I probably will have to complete this at my desk rather than on the sofa of an evening because of the size of the canvas. So yeah, I'll probably will be at my desk doing this one. So excited to get this one underway. I'm trying not to have loads of work in progresses, and so which case I am being really strict and making sure that I finish one project before I move on to another one. So let's see if my willpower can hold out long enough for me to continue on with that when I'm desperate to get this one started. So thanks very much for joining me for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, as always, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, then hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button doodah, the bell shaped thing next to it. That lets you know or be notified when I next upload. And say hi in the comments down below, or let me know what is your favorite. Let me know what your favorite Disney film is. I am an absolute Disney nut, and you will get to know that about me if you stay around long enough. And so that's why I'm super excited about this canvas, because anything Disney and I am all over it. So yeah, let me know what your favorite Disney film is, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.